If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Guys, I'm Sonika. We are so much into product photography, but there are so many products which can get a bit confusing at times. So let's pick a theme. Let's select only one product and let us photograph that throughout the video. I've done this before, and we will try to photograph it in different frames and compositions. And today's product is
Vaseline Petroleum Jelly.
So let's get those brain cells to work and begin.
First, I will place my product on a white background. A sheet of white paper that I have taped to the wall. A flash with ball diffuser is placed on top of it to light it, and I will use a paper plate as fill light to bounce the flashlight. Now in the same arrangement, I will remove the ball diffuser so that I can capture a nice hard shadow with my product. Now open the bottle and take an action shot to show the product in use. I will place the product with a few leaves on my table, again with a flash and ball diffuser to light it from top, and paper plate to fill the shadow. Again, I will open the bottle and click a picture. Now I will take a few portrait shots. For that, I will use my 80 cm Octagon softbox. Will have a black background behind me. First, I will hold the product and click. Next, I will take a close-up of my face and take a shot as though I am applying Vaseline to my lips. Now I will zoom out a bit and capture my full face. Now close up of the upper face. I will make sure I hold the product in such a way that its front label does not get covered with my hands. Last shot, I will take a bit of jelly on my finger and have the product in the background.
I made such a video last year guys where I take one product, my Lakme face wash, and photograph it in different styles and frames. You can check that video out right here and also with the link down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel, or if you want me to photograph a particular product in different ways. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is the previous video of my Lakme face wash photography. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.